Worshipped him first, though. First of all, they worshipped him. Worshipping is nothing more than making more of Jesus and less of me. Worship is not just singing. Does that happen during singing? I sure hope so. I'm making more of Jesus and less of me. As I'm serving, I'm making more of Jesus and less of me. As I'm giving, I'm making more of Jesus and less of me. As I'm loving my spouse when they're just sort of one of those days, I am making more of Jesus and less of me. Anytime you are doing that, it is called worship. Can we make more of Jesus and less of me? And as you do that, and you are reading your Bible more, you will start serving more. As you are pouring into whatever Jesus wants from me, the outcome will be what Jesus wants from you. You don't have to start giving and serving and loving and caring and stuff like that before you start following Jesus. But when you start following Jesus and try making more of him and less of you, the outcome will be you start giving and loving and serving, and it's how he changes our hearts. It's how he changes our minds. It is not expected before you start following him. It just happens after you start following him. And if those things aren't happening, are you following him? Or are you following your pastor? Or are you following your best friend? Or the guy on TV? And you need to make sure that we get that right. So, therefore,